Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. Mike here at WeBe Autos. Today we have a 1963 Studebaker Hawk Gran Turismo. 289 under the hood, 3-speed manual transmission, Ford Warner. It's finished in tan with a tan interior. Nice solid car. Call this a driver. Nice solid driver. I believe it's a 62 289. Based on the casting number, it's a 535601 P motor. Nice aluminum radiator, keeps it cool. Just did a fresh oil change on it as well. Do have the battery tie down as well, just didn't put it in yet. Bucket seats. Nice, honest car. Showing 83,742 miles. Power steering. Well guys, thanks for joining us today. Again, my name is Mike from WeBe Autos. Feel free to give me a call. I'm at 631-339-0399. You can also check it out on our website. It's webeautos.com. Thanks a lot.